In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate an object along a path with Align to Spline in Cinema 4D. The Align to Spline tag is a simple, reliable way to make any object glide along a curve you've drawn, whether that's for a logo reveal, a camera fly-through, or a product showcase. We'll keep this focused and clear so you can follow along and get a smooth result right away. Start by selecting the object you want to move. Apply the Align to Spline tag to it so the object knows it should follow a path. With the tag selected, look in the Attributes Manager for the Spline Path field. Drag your desired spline from the Object Manager directly into that field. As soon as you do, the object will snap to the nearest point on that spline, confirming the link is set. Now let's animate the motion. In the Align to Spline tag, you'll see a parameter called Position. This value represents where the object is along the path, from 0% at the start of the spline to 100% at the end. Move your playhead to the frame where you want the animation to begin, set position to 0%, and create a keyframe for it. Then move the playhead to the frame where you want the motion to finish, change position to 100%, and keyframe it again. When you play back the timeline, your object will travel smoothly from the beginning to the end of the curve. To make the object automatically orient itself to the path's direction, enable the tangential option in the tag. This tells Cinema 4D to rotate the object so its forward axis aligns with the spline's tangent. It's especially helpful on tight bends where you want the nose of the object to lead naturally. If you notice the object facing sideways or backward, that's a cue to adjust its local orientation in the Object tab so its forward axis matches what you expect. A couple of quick tips can make the animation feel more polished. If you want the object to ease in and out, open the timeline and adjust the keyframe interpolation in the F-curve editor for the position parameter. A gentle ease can help the motion feel more intentional. Also, if the object appears offset from the path, check its axis position. Keeping the axis centered often yields cleaner alignment. That's it. Apply the tag, assign your spline, keyframe position, from 0% to 100%, and enable tangential for path-following rotation. With those steps, you'll have a clean, controllable animation ready for refinement.